In today's lesson, we will be talking about inequalities. So, an inequality is used most often to compare two numbers on the number line by their size. So, inequalities are used to conduct comparison tests between numbers. So, in inequalities, we usually have these four symbols. So, the first symbol means greater than. So, an example is x greater than 6. So, here x includes all numbers larger than 6. The second symbol means greater than or equal. So, x greater than or equal to 5. So, this means that x includes all numbers larger than or equal to 5. So, number 5 is included. The third symbol is less than. So, x less than 1. So, x includes all numbers smaller than 1. And finally, this symbol means less than or equal. So, x less than or equal to negative 3 means x includes all numbers smaller than negative 3, including negative 3. So, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on. Now, when solving inequalities, we usually deal with inequalities as equations. So, instead of having an equal sign, we will have any of these four symbols. So, to solve this inequality, I'm going to put the x on one side and the numbers on the other side. So, I will subtract 1 from the left hand side and 1 from the right hand side. So, 1 cancels out with negative 1. So, I will get 3x less than 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So, dividing the left hand side by 3 and the right hand side by 3. So, I will get x is less than 1. Now, a small note on inequalities is that multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative number flips the inequality sign. So, if I have negative 2x is greater than negative 4. So, to find x, I will divide the left hand side by negative 2 and the right hand side by negative 2. So, x here becomes x less than positive 2 because I divided my inequality by a negative number. So, I must flip my sign. So, x becomes x less than positive 2. So, I flipped my sign. Now, let's have an example. It says, solve the following inequalities and show the result on the number line. So, in part A, I have 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 5. So, I will add 5 or I will add 4 to the left hand side and 4 to the right hand side. So, 3x becomes less than or equal to 9. So, I will divide here by 3 and the right hand side by 3. So, x is less than or equal to 3. Now, to show this result on the number line, I'm going to draw the number line. So, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now, since the inequality sign includes the equal sign, so this sign is called the equal sign, I have to draw a closed circle. So, this is my closed circle at x equals 3, and since x is less than or equal to 3, I will go backwards like this. So this is my solution. Now in part B, I have 2 times x minus 1 is greater than 6. So first I'm going to expand my bracket. So I have 2 times x is 2x minus 2 times 1 is 2 is greater than 6. So I will add 2 to the left hand side and 2 to the right hand side. So it becomes 2x is greater than 8. So I will divide the left hand side by 2 and the right hand side by 2. So x becomes greater than 4. So to draw the number line, so this is my number line. Let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now, in this inequality, I have x greater than 4. Since I don't have the equal sign, I will draw an open circle at x equals 4, and I will move to the right. So my solution is anywhere to the right of x equals 4.